This is gonna be a good one. Cheers. So today I'm unboxing a Grimsmo Norseman. A lot of you, if you have watched my channel, if you know me, know that this is a GRAIL. Well, today I have two cameras on because I want to capture my reaction at using it and opening it and all that. This was borrowed by Alex. Alex Knifebach on YouTube, Alex T on Instagram. So thank you very much, brother. I appreciate you, brother. Let's get right to it. So I have my phone camera here and my wife's phone camera right there, because I want to see the reaction of just me opening it. Wow, holy shit, wow. So he sent it with everything on the box. That's the tool to open it, I think, I'm sure. And that's the, wow, it's such a beautiful packaging. It's such a beautiful tool. I guess I need to do this to synchronize the video. And okay, let's take it out. Let's go right for the knife. Wow. I mean, just right out of the bat, it feels like luxury. It feels good. So wow, it's got like a diamond texture on it. It's all machined. You guys can see how they make this particular pattern on their YouTube video, and they're very thorough about it, and they had a lot of trouble making this one. I remember he had to call a bunch of people, and ultimately he had the machine going left on one line and it needed to go right. And I mean the struggles that guy goes through are amazing. So it feels and looks amazing. It looks great. The design is gorgeous. I think I've always liked the Norseman. I know it's not the most appealing of knives for a lot of humans, but let's check out that legendary action. Okay, I missed on the first, but that second one was gold. It's unlike any production knife I have ever experienced in hand, and let's get that drop shot action. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Like it's on air, you know? It's glorious. It's fantastic. In hand, it is great. Let me raise up the camera angle. I mean, what a piece of art, machinery. I'm looking around because I don't want to. Wow, I mean, because I don't want to, put it on a hard surface. It was, like I said, I borrowed it by my buddy Alex, so I don't want to, disrespect him or the knife in any way. You guys know me. You guys know I use my knives. I'm a construction worker in Arizona. I use the crap out of my knives. This isn't mine. I'm humbled and I'm grateful that I can check it out in person and play with it. So, I want to treat it with respect. Wow, amazing. The ergos on my hand are perfect. I have a large hand, very fat hand. I was told by one of my uncles that doing push-ups when I was little with my fist on the ground would toughen up my fist, and I think they just made them fat and grubby. I don't know. It's not science-based. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The finish on the blade is It's beautiful. It's like a stone wash, but you can see the machining lines, which was a beautiful touch by the Norseman. Is something that they're very known about. They're also known about this grind and just the way they went about it. The whole, sharpened spoon. Personally, I find it very appealing. The thumb jimping is masterfully done. The spine being rounded like this is perfect and fantastic. Again, this machining texture given on the display scale is very much appreciated. I know he went through a lot of trouble figuring this one out. The screws have little circles on them, extremely appealing. The Norseman helmet is a beautiful logo. The thumb stud is not the nicest thumb stud I've ever seen. The clip is quite beautiful and elegant. It's also stonewash. There's no diamond plating on this side, which I think is a-okay. The other side of the thumb stud is a screw with the points on it. This is number 2741. The steel it's using is RW334. They haven't changed that in a long time. I think it has to do with a lot of the machining that they do. They do so much machining and much programming and numbers and algorithms and stuff like that on the machine that changing the material would most likely have to change everything they've done to that point. So I can see why they're sticking to that material. I have heard great things about it. I haven't experienced it personally in a different knife, so I wouldn't consider myself an expert. I don't know if I did the clap already. Hopefully I can perfectly align these videos and I can give you guys my first experience, and I can give myself in the future my first experience too. This has been a GRAIL of me, and I know I'm not any closer today than I was yesterday of getting one, but today I get to hold one with my hands and talk about it with you guys. The ergos, the action on it are just unlike anything I've seen in the production knives. The design is something I find just very appealing. Everything about this knife reminds me of why I became a knife guy, why I collect things, why I review things. Everything about this piece reminds me that there is mastery out there, and it humbles me. I'm very happy right now. As you guys can see, I'm gonna put it back in the box, and I'm gonna grill some burgers with my wife and have a nice little late lunch. I would like to edit this in this afternoon so you guys can see it ASAP as well. I am very happy right now. Thank you, Alex. Guys, if you want to see the review for this knife, stick around, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, tell me what your grill is and if you have obtained it or if you have played with it.